So guys, I have here about 2 stalks of shredded pop choi and about 1 julienne carrot in a bowl. I'm going to put that aside and then get to the other. I'm going to shred about 1 cabbage, as you can see here. And then now we're going to add them to one bowl and then stir them so get them combined before we start to cook them. So mix everything together guys and stir. Once we have everything stirred like this in a bowl, we can add our seasoning, so any type of powder seasoning. Alright, so we're going to take our time and add it to the pot. So try see if we can add it without throwing it over. As you can see, there's a lot here. My pot is too small, but we're still going to continue. So try and ensure that everything whole, smooth it out, and try and stir it so we can get to coat all the vegetable. Add our butter. We're going to add some chicken broth here. So this is chicken broth when we boil the chicken. So after we allow this steam for a bit, we're going to add our chicken. So we're going to stir that in. Then we add the salt and pepper as well. And there you have it guys. This is the finished product. Quick, simple and easy. Jamaican chicken chop suey. Easy to enjoy and quick to prepare. Hope you enjoy it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Looking lovely guys, looking yummy. Tastes wonderful, very crunchy and nice. Great meal. It's a great way to look after your vegetable. So you know you want to do a vegetable dish, you can also try this method. So thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.